Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing my June Glamigo box. I'm so happy that the price of the Glamigo box did not increase any further. At just rupees 299 per month including shipping, it is still one of the most affordable subscription boxes in India. And due to this very reason, Glamigo has become one of the leading subscription boxes in India in just a time of 3 months. So without any further delay, let's start with the unboxing. So the packaging is the same as before. Everything is quite well wrapped and there are some leaflets. So the first product, or we can say the star product in this month's Glamigo box, is the Sea Soul CC Cream HD Finish. As we can see here, it is a 30 ml product worth 660 rupees. It says a lot about the CC cream here. Also, it has a SPF of 20, which is an added advantage. The shade I received is a medium as per the beauty profile I have filled. They had actually sent a mail saying that if you do not fill the quiz on their page, they will be sending a random shade. So they have actually started personalizing, which is quite good. And I'm quite happy that Glamigo has started sending makeup in their box. It means that we can actually expect things like lipsticks and kajal in the upcoming boxes. And coming to this product, the best thing about this is it's fully natural and not harmful for your skin. This, unlike other products, does not clog your pores. In fact, it has argan oil and Dead Sea minerals which moisturizes your skin. This is quite good to wear for everyday as well. And if you're someone who doesn't use CC cream on a daily basis, you can just add a drop of it to your moisturizer. It will give you a light coverage and make your skin look more flawless. And you need not worry about makeup harming your skin. So even though I am not somebody who is a CC cream lover, I am happy to receive this. I hope that it blends well and matches my skin tone well. Then the next product is from the same brand. This is the Dead Sea Anti-Tan Spa Pedicure Intensive Healing Tan Removal Series, and this is one pedicure kit for one-time usage. The MRP of this is 160 rupees and it has 5 sachets inside, one for each step. Getting a detan product in summers is a big thumbs up for me. We usually ignore our feet and don't take much care of it. So this is a good product to take care of your feet. It does contain a lot of good things inside. The other two products are from Chronocare, and this is one of my favorite brands. We know that these products are paraben free, sulfate free. So I totally love these products. Both of these are sample size products. Let me go through them one by one. The first product is this Raise the Bar Glycerin Soap with extracts of lavender and thyme. We all know that lavender frees skin from radicals and it's such a refreshing fragrance. I just love the fragrance of lavender. And this bar, let me open it. There's no MRP mentioned, of course, because it is a sample. Oh, it's such a cute bar. It's purple in color. I love this product just because it is such a cute thing. I'm a digger of cute stuff. The last product is this Caribbean Ginger Shower Gel, Revive and Thrive. I know that ginger has detox and anti-aging properties. I have actually already used this before. In fact, I also had the Caribbean Ginger Body Lotion. This is a 30 ml sample. It has a unique fragrance which some of you might not like, but it's a really good shower gel, lathers pretty well, not too drying on skin. Overall, I would say a good product, especially considering it's all natural with all the good ingredients inside it. So happy to receive this too. Moving to the info card, here we have all the prices listed. We already read the price of the CC cream and the pedicure kit. The shower gel of deluxe size costs 110 rupees. That means the one which we received. And the glycerin soap deluxe size sample which you received is for 85 rupees. Then there is this leaflet from Chronocare with all their products listed out, and it also has a 200 rupees off discount voucher plus free shipping code if you're buying products worth a minimum of 700. I'll mention this in my description box as well. And there is another card from Seasol CC Cream regarding how you can use it. Now coming to the review part, this month's box contains product worth almost 1000 rupees, and we also got a 200 rupees voucher, which is way more than the subscription cost. So if you're someone who uses a CC or BB cream on daily basis, or someone who's new to the makeup world and just started using the basics like kajal and lipstick, I would definitely recommend buying this month's Glamego box, because you get a premium and most importantly natural makeup product. All the other products are also from good well-known brands, so I would totally give it a thumbs up for the price it is offered at. And another awesome thing about Glamego is that after using all these products for a good 15 days to 1 month, depending on the size of the product, if you like any of these products, you can actually repurchase it with up to 50% discount, which is also an amazing deal. So do let me know in the comment section below what you feel about this month's box. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It would really mean a lot to me. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.